Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G, a smartphone that's packed with cool features and is super fast. Let's take a closer look. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description, and you can buy this phone at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So, let's start the video. First off, let's talk about how the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G looks. It's really sleek and modern, and it feels nice and smooth in your hand. The screen is big at 6.6 inches, so when you watch videos or play games, everything looks awesome and clear. Now, let's talk about what makes this phone run so fast. Inside, it's got something called the Samsung Exynos 1480 processor, which is like the brain of the phone. It works together with 8 GB of RAM, which helps the phone handle lots of stuff at the same time without slowing down. So whether you're playing games, scrolling through social media, or chatting with friends, everything happens quickly and smoothly. Next up, let's talk about taking pictures. The Samsung Galaxy A55 5G has 3 cameras on the back: a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 5-megapixel depth camera. What does all that mean? It means you can take really detailed and clear photos, whether it's a beautiful landscape or a close-up shot of your friends. And don't forget the front camera, which is 32 megapixels and perfect for snapping great selfies. Battery life is super important, right? Well, with the Galaxy A55 5G, you don't have to worry about running out of battery quickly. It has a big 5,000 milliamp hours battery, which means it can last all day long, even if you're using it a lot. Plus, it charges up pretty fast, so you can get back to using your phone in no time. Let's talk about some other cool things this phone can do. First, it's 5G ready, which means you can download stuff super fast and stream videos without any buffering. It also has NFC, which is great for making contactless payments. And for security, you can unlock your phone with your face or fingerprint, which is really handy and keeps your phone safe. To wrap it up, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is a fantastic phone with lots of awesome features. It's fast, takes great photos, lasts a long time on a single charge, and has cool extras like 5G and NFC. Whether you're a tech lover or just need a reliable phone for everyday use, the Galaxy A55 5G is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and tips.